Seen on 3 of the 4 service branch insignias, those being the Navy, Air Force, and Land Force, as well as the insignia of the Armed Forces of Lithuania, is a rather unique shape composed of a series of interconnected columns. In fact, this shape has been seen in all sorts of insignia, symbols, coats of arms associated with the country, as well as various physical objects like shields and armor, and even non-military items like currency, seals, and flags for centuries now. But what exactly is it? Well, it's called the Columns of Gediminas, and is considered one of the earliest symbols in the region. Though an exact origin can't quite be confirmed, it's often first associated with the Grand Duke Gediminas, founder of the House of Gedimin, who ruled the Grand Duchy of Lithuania from 1316 until 1341, though the symbol's significance and usage seemingly increased with his descendants and successors, most notably Vytautas the Great, who would later become something of a national hero in Lithuania, and Sigismund II Augustus, the last of the dynasty who reigned from 1529 until 1572. During a lot of this time, the region was in a constant state of war with various kingdoms, factions, orders, and groups, but even still the columns remained a symbol of not only the Grand Duchy, but eventually the people and society as a whole within the area, that would eventually become Lithuania, and even some parts beyond, like Belarus and Ukraine. When the Soviet Union took over Lithuania, the columns were suppressed in an attempt to crack down on national identity, leading to them becoming something of a symbol of resistance early on, notably by partisans throughout the early 1950s, and then reform, especially towards the end of the Cold War, with those involved in the Singing Revolution. After Lithuania gained its independence, the columns made a return, being once again incorporated into many symbols, emblems, crests, and so on throughout the country on various levels. As far as the exact meaning behind the design, it's something of a mystery, as no one single theory can be confirmed, with quite a few being suggested, ranging from the simple such as it being a form of tagma, that being a tribal mark used in steppe cultures to identify property, to representing an anchor, which could have symbolized stability and strength, to ones that lean more towards power and influence, such as it being a fortress or castle gates, or a simplified throne or trident, which in the region was often used to denote power and influence, leading some to speculate it was even an offshoot of Rurikid dynasty symbols from the Kievan Rus, with one of the most recognizable of those now being the Ukrainian trident.